We built this affiliate site in less than 5 minutes. It's SEO and geo optimized. It is conversion optimized as well to help you earn more money and get more clicks with your affiliate links. If you want to see exactly how we did this, continue watching today's video. So we're using RankSite to build this site, but we've just added in an affiliate product integration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating a website here. I'm going to go over to RankSite. I'm going to create a new site. I'm going to do a general website and blog. We're going to go to continue. And then I'm going to copy over this prompt and I can pop it into my favorite AI. So essentially what Claude is going to do is it's going to go ahead and give me the information of my business. Now, of course, you'd want to make sure that this is correct information that's relevant to your business. So now I'm going to paste this in here. So paste in the answer and hit apply. And what's going to happen here is that it's now going to go ahead and fill out the information. So it saves you a ton of time. You can just tell the AI what you do or your services, and then you can copy over that information right into RankSite. I'm going to put a random number in here. And then you can go ahead and go to continue. Now, if we go to continue, as you can see, it already has the information of my business and what my business does. So I can go to continue again. And as you can see, again, it's already included the topics that my business includes or my business site needs to have. And that's because it's following the prompt that we give it. And you can also go ahead and add more topics if you like to do so. So then I'm going to go to continue. It's chosen a color, right? Dark premium. It's chosen the brand color. And if I have a logo, I can go ahead and upload my logo. I'm going to go to continue now. I'm not going to do a form for this specific website, so we're going to skip that. And that is it. We're good to go. We can then go ahead and publish our site. So there's really no other site builder that makes it this easy for you to generate a site. I can literally generate a new website in less than 1 minute. We're going to give this a little bit of time, and then we're going to come back to see what the website looks like. So our site is now live. We can go ahead and take a look at the site. As you can see, it looks really, really good. We have our hero text here. We have the information of our business. We have the colors. Looks a really, really good starting point here. And we also have our custom chatbot. We have our categories, our about us, so on and so forth. So now I'm going to go over to our dashboard. And this is where you can then go ahead and add in your affiliate products. So first, I'm going to go ahead and generate a few pages here, just making sure you have your Open Router API key connected. Then I'm going to go to affiliate products. I'm going to enable affiliate products. I'm going to add my first product. So the first product we found here was, we'll just put the Breville Plus cooking app, just as an example. We're actually going to upload an image here because I want to see what that image would look like. We're going to click upload and use. And all of your images get converted into WebP, so it allows you to keep your website loading very, very fast. We're going to paste in an affiliate link here. We're going to click save. And we can also add in a custom disclosure if we would like to do so. Okay, so we've generated a couple of pages there, and we've also added in our affiliate product. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. We can see the two products there. And if you head over to resources, we can actually go ahead and see our product here. So we see the product here. So this page contains affiliate links, and it has the link to our product. And of course, you can go ahead and add as many products as you like. So you see the imagery, you can go ahead and click on that link. So your resources will be included in your website. So in the resources section, you can find your affiliate products, but if you head back over to your dashboard, you can also feature your affiliate products in any of your service, location, or blog post pages. So in any of these pages, I can click these products here to feature these products in my actual page. So if I go to continue, right, and if I head over to, again, if I go to my sites, if I head over to any of my blog posts, if I go to edit blog posts, if I scroll down here, I can go ahead and feature my product on these pages. Then if I go over to back again over to my sites, if I go over to location pages, and if I go over to edit, again, if I scroll down here, I can add my products onto these pages. So not only are you able to add your resources, you're also able to add any affiliate product on any page of your website. So if you are an affiliate, this is going to allow you to automate growing your website as well, while also automating the ability to optimize for clicks and purchases. So again, not only can you create an SEO and geo optimized website, everything is going to be schema marked up, everything is going to be technically SEO optimized. You could also now add your affiliate products within the resources or your location or blog post pages. And then you can also set up automations to automate generating pages or automate generating articles on any cadence that you like. So if you're a local business, or if you have a general business or an affiliate site, you can now use RankSite to generate affiliate sites as well for yourselves or for your clients. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. We are still running our early beta offer. It is really good, discounted, and you get hosting forever included in your account. So if you want to take advantage of that, there will be a link below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.